Welcome to our classroom, young explorers. Look around you. What do you see? Yes, a vibrant room filled with children just like you, all eager to learn and discover. Today, we're going to embark on a very special journey. We're going to unravel the fascinating world of life cycles. But what are life cycles, you ask? Well, life cycles are the stages of growth and development that all living things go through. Understanding these cycles helps us appreciate the beauty and complexity of nature and teaches us to care for all living things. From the tiniest seed to the mightiest lion, every creature has a unique journey, a unique story to tell. Are you ready to dive into these amazing life stories? So buckle up, young explorers, because our fun journey of discovery begins now. Ever wondered how a tiny seed turns into a huge tree? Well, fasten your seatbelts because we're going on a thrilling journey. Picture a tiny seed, snug in the earth's embrace. With a little help from sunlight, water, and soil, our tiny hero embarks on its journey, sprouting into a brave little seedling. But it doesn't stop there. Oh no, this seedling is on a mission. It grows taller, stronger, transforming into a young plant. It's a vital step, but our little hero isn't done yet. It dreams big. With time, patience, and a lot of sunshine, water, and soil, our young plant grows into a big, strong tree. It's a wondrous journey, isn't it? From a small seed to a towering tree, it's a testament to the magic of life. So next time you see a seed, remember it can grow into a big, strong tree. Did you know that a small cub can grow into a mighty lion? Let's take a journey through the animal life cycle, using our furry friend, the lion, as an example. Our journey begins with a lion cub, small and playful, yet destined for greatness. This is the first stage of life, when our cub is learning to walk, run, and play, all under the watchful eyes of its mother. As time passes, our cub starts to grow. This is the second stage, the growing stage. Its body becomes stronger, its roar louder, and its instincts sharper. Our cub is no longer a baby, but a young lion learning to hunt and fend for itself. And finally, comes the adult stage. Our young lion has now transformed into a magnificent full-grown lion, the king of the jungle. This growth would not have been possible without proper food and care. Isn't it wonderful how a tiny cub grows up to become the king of the jungle? Imagine starting life as a wriggly caterpillar and then turning into a beautiful butterfly. That's exactly what happens in the world of butterflies. This fantastic journey is known as metamorphosis, a big word that means change in form. First, a butterfly starts as a tiny egg laid by a mama butterfly on a leaf. Then out comes a hungry caterpillar, gobbling up the leaf it was born on. This caterpillar stage is all about eating and growing, as the caterpillar gets ready for the next big step in its life. When it's ready, the caterpillar wraps itself in a protective shell called a chrysalis. Inside this cozy cocoon, something miraculous happens. The caterpillar's body changes dramatically, transforming into a beautiful butterfly. When this change is complete, the butterfly breaks out of the chrysalis, ready to flutter around, sip nectar from flowers, and start the cycle all over again by laying more eggs. So, a little caterpillar does a lot of hard work to become a beautiful butterfly. Do you see how life cycles are everywhere around us? From the tiniest seed buried in the soil to the mightiest lion roaming the savannah, from the humble caterpillar to the dazzling butterfly, life cycles are a constant and beautiful part of our world. They are the rhythm of life, the heartbeat of our planet. Remember the journey of the seed? It sprouts, grows into a plant, blooms, and then produces seeds of its own. And what about the fearless lion cub? It grows, learns, and eventually becomes a leader of the pride. And let's not forget our friend, the caterpillar, who goes through a miraculous transformation to become a butterfly. Understanding these cycles helps us appreciate the nature that surrounds us. It encourages us to care for all living things, big and small. It helps us understand that every living thing has its own journey, its own story to tell. Now you know how every living thing grows and develops through different stages, isn't it fascinating? Now, can you think of other examples of life cycles? As we move about our day, life cycles are happening all around us. Think about your favorite furry friend. Yes, your pet. Just like a mighty lion in the wild, your little pet was once a small, helpless creature, just like a cub. Over time, it grew and changed, becoming the lovable companion you know today. And what about the plants in your backyard? They too have a life cycle. From a tiny seed to a blooming flower, each stage of growth is part of their journey. Even the smallest creatures, like the insects you see in the park, have their own life cycles. From a tiny egg to a crawling caterpillar, then transforming into a beautiful butterfly, each stage is unique and important. Remember, every living thing has its own unique life cycle. Keep exploring, keep learning.